An investment in the knowledge pays the best interest. Hello everyone, myself J. Anandi, an educator from Hindustan College of Engineering and Technology, Coimbatore, and I am much more delighted to line up the cardinal concepts of wireless communications and its categories. Wireless technologies are a powerful tool for tech-savvy generation, and it facilitates easy information sharing, making us stay connected. The coverables of wireless communication is introduction of wireless communication, types of communication from 5G to 6G, characteristics of 6G, enabled technologies of 6G, finally applications of 6G wireless communication. So this is a very basic and then first and foremost concepts of wireless communication. So it is a process of transferring the information from two or more points. So it's easily using the radio waves, and then the data transferred in the form of radio waves. Here we are using this wireless communication for various applications such as fixed applications, mobile applications, and then portable applications in the form of cellular telephones, personal digital assistants. Examples of wireless communications and its applications are GPS units, garage door openers, wireless computer mouse, keyboards, headsets, radio receivers, satellite televisions, broadcasting televisions, etc. So before getting into the detail of wireless communication, we need to know the types of wireless communications. Right from 1G technology till 5G technologies, we are having so many wireless communication technologies which has been utilized for so many improvisations right from the year of 1980s. The first kind of wireless technology is first generation wireless telephone technology. It was first introduced in the year 1980 and it was completely utilized till 1990s. And then with the speed of 2.4 kbps, it was allowing only the voice calls in a single country. It is able to handle the data in the form of analog signals. It was initially introduced by AMPS, launched in USA. Though it is a first identification, it was having some limitations and disadvantages such as poor voice quality, low battery, lesser security, limited capacity, poor reliability. To find out the improvisation in wireless communication, 2G technology was introduced with the innovation of GSM, Global System for Mobile Communication. It was launched in the year 1991, and then it was actively using digital signals to deal with the data at the data speed of 64 kbps. A hybrid version of 2G wireless communication technology is 2.5G, which is using the cellular technologies combining with GPRS. GPRS is nothing but General Packet Radio Service, which is focusing on packet-based data transmission. This is also having disadvantage of handling complex videos, and it was very risky to handle the digital signals as because the digital signals were very weak. Third generation wireless technology. It was introduced in the year 2000 with the data transmission speed of 144 kbps to 2 mbps. It was specifically implemented for using the smartphones. To overcome the challenges that have been faced in 1G and then 2G was recovered by the 3G wireless technology. Though it is having the faster data transmission, faster communication advantages, it was still having some major challenges such as expensive fees, and then it was very difficult to handle the large kind of cell phones, and then it was mainly used for the purpose of data transfer, and then to improvise the data transfer rates whenever we are using web-based applications, and then it was facilitated to improvise the data transfer such as audio and then video files. This is the next generation wireless technology, which is nothing but fourth generation wireless telephone technology, which has been introduced late 2000 years. It is providing the data speed of 100 Mbps to 1 Gbps. It is also known as mobile broadband everywhere. The main aim of this 4G wireless technology is to give the high speed data and then to concentrate on the high capacity data, which is of lowest cost. In addition to that, this 4G wireless technology is also described as MAGIC. M for mobile multimedia, that is concentrating on multimedia data. A for anytime anywhere, you can access the wireless communication anytime anywhere. Global mobility support, which is concentrating on mobile data management. Integrated wireless solutions, it is focusing on complete wireless data communication solutions. Finally, customized personal services, which is focusing on the personalized services to deal with the data. This 4G technology is implemented in the countries such as USA, Germany, Spain, China, Japan, and England. Though we are having more number of services in 4G wireless communication technology, we are in the need of infinite amount of services with respect to wireless communication. To overcome the difficulties that has been faced in 4G wireless communication, the 5G wireless telephone technology has been introduced in the year 2010. It is almost of no limitations of wireless communication, and then it is supporting wireless World Wide Web. It is fully World Wide Web, which is of wireless, and then it is also capable of broadcasting data in Gbps. When comparing to 4G, it is of having more speed and then with infinite capacity. It is also having the fast data transmissions when comparing to the previous generation. It is capable of handling the large phone memory. In addition to that, it is able to handle the data in a clear way. It is also able to handle the interactive multimedia such as streaming, downloading, etc. Over the internet, 5G, it is becoming very attractive and most effective. To meet the market demands after 2030, we have introduced 6G wireless communication, which is filling the gap between the 5G wireless communication and the market demands. 6G wireless communication networks are capable of accessing the data infinitely and to enable the full digital connectivity. So, the following things are the motivating trends for enabling 6G wireless communication system. 6G wireless communication system is capable of dealing with the things high bitrate, high reliability, high energy efficiency. It is also focusing on green communication, intelligent networks, the frequent network availability, enabled communication convergence. It is also focusing on enhancing the computing possibilities, control and then sensing methodologies, and then localization, high spectral efficiency. So these are all the characteristics that has been focused for enhancing 6G wireless communication system. First one, AI integrated communication, which is concentrating on artificial intelligence and focusing on the machine learning methodologies for enabling 6G communication system. Tactile internet, advanced internet facilities, high energy efficiency. So energy efficiency is the main thing in all the implementation methodologies and then all the communication systems. This 6G communication is focusing on efficient energy handling. In addition to that, it is also used for lowering the backhaul and then network congestion. Due to the network transmission, there may be a network congestion while transmitting a data from one place to another place. This 6G communication system is ensuring the reduction of network congestion. Finally, data security. To enhance the data security in an infinite way, we are going for 6G wireless communication system. These are all the enabled technologies of 6G wireless communication system. Beyond every concept, there is a common concept of communication, which is mainly for making a human in a possible and then optimistic way. So these are all the technologies for wireless communication system in a 6th generation. They are artificial intelligence, terahertz communication, which is able to handle the terahertz of data, optical wireless technology, FSO front haul back haul network, massive intelligent reflecting surfaces, blockchain technologies, 3D networking, quantum communication, unmanned aerial vehicle focusing on reducing the human efforts, cell-free communication, everything through signals, integration of wireless information and energy transfer, and then integration of sensing communication. Finally, big data analytics. Using all these technologies in 6G wireless communication, we can have certain applications such as super smart society, extended reality. Beyond augmented reality, virtual reality, we can go for extended reality, connected robotics and then autonomous system, wireless brain computer interactions, haptic communications. We can enhance our healthcare in a smart way, such as smart healthcare and biomedical communication, automation and then manufacturing for enhancing automated system methodologies, 5 senses information transfer. Finally, we can get into Internet of Everything. That's all about introductory part of 6G wireless communication. See you in the next segment. There is no cure for curiosity, Be curious always. Thank you all for watching this video.